Now, RCN News in English on TV Columbia.
Hi, everybody. I'm Brian Andrews reporting from the Palm Beach Inlet in South Florida, a popular place that lots of Colombians are starting to discover on vacation. We'll tell you more in a moment, but first, let's go ahead and send it back to Bogota for an update on the big news of the day from Colombia.
Thank you, Brian. Our top story today, the bodies of the 22 rebels from the FARC's 48th Front remain at the National Forensics Agency in Bogota. As we previously reported, on Sunday afternoon, the FARC members were killed in combat in Putumayo. And according to official reports, several bodies still remain in the area. The operations were planned by the Army after 8 policemen were killed by the FARC in Puerto Colón de San Miguel 10 days ago. 2 computers with rebel information were seized, and authorities say among the dead rebels are 8 women and a FARC leader known as Domingo Biojo. A 15-year-old kid traveled from Bogota to Chile, but listen to this. He went to the country without documents, money, and without his parents' permission. Chilean authorities found the boy and immediately deported him to Colombia. The airline and the DAS are currently investigating the case. To Cucuta now, a very unusual campaign to encourage people to stop violating traffic rules. And check this out. If you get caught breaking the law, you will be forced to ride a donkey. The idea is to learn all the driving rules while taking a donkey ride around a park. Police say in less than 4 hours, 50 drivers were punished. So all the Cucuta drivers, be careful and breaking the law. And today we're taking you to a huge celebration that took place at the Simón Bolívar Park in Bogota over the weekend. Have you ever heard about the International Party Day? Well, I bet you do. But here in Colombia, we call it the Parranda Day, an event where Colombia's most famous singers gather to thrill the crowds. And this time, singer Eddie Herrera surprised the crowd with a major show that his fans won't soon forget. Also, artists Liz and Magic Juan took the stage to perform songs like A Dormir Juntitos and La Última Vez. So next time you come to Colombia, make sure to enjoy the International Parranda Day. And that's our report. Remember to follow us on Twitter and to join our Facebook fan page for the latest updates. Now, Ryan, back to you in Palm Beach.
Thanks for that news update. You're probably wondering, well, what am I doing in South Florida? And the answer is quite simple. You can find us online on our new webpage at news.ntn24.com. It's all of Latin America's news, like Colombia's news, but in English. And we do it from South Florida and from all over Latin America. Again, the address, news.ntn24.com. That'll do it for Colombia's news in English today, online and on TV Columbia. I'm Brian Andrews in Palm Beach, bringing Colombia to the world.